Why does my AC fan keep turning on and off? Full fix explained. Your AC fan is likely turning on and off repeatedly due to short cycling, which can be caused by airflow issues, electrical problems, or a system imbalance. Common culprits include a clogged air filter, dirty condenser coils, low refrigerant levels, or a faulty thermostat. Here are some common causes and fixes. Clogged air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow, which can cause the evaporator coil to freeze and lead to the system shutting off to prevent damage. Replace the air filter. Filters should be checked and replaced regularly, at least once a month, according to carrier. Dirty condenser coils. Buildup on the condenser coils forces the system to work harder, potentially causing it to overheat and the fan to shut off. Gently clean the condenser coils. This often requires professional service to ensure it's done safely and correctly. Low refrigerant. A leak can cause low refrigerant levels, which destabilizes pressure in the system and can trigger a safety switch to turn the unit on and off. This is not a DIY fix. A professional must find and repair the leak before recharging the system. Faulty thermostat. An inaccurate or malfunctioning thermostat can send incorrect signals, causing the unit to cycle off prematurely or turn on unnecessarily. Check the thermostat batteries and settings. If it continues to be a problem, a professional may need to inspect or replace it. Oversized AC unit. If the unit is too large for your home, it will cool the space too quickly and shut off before completing a full cooling cycle. Have a professional assess if the unit is the correct size for your home. When to call a professional. If you've checked the air filter and the issue persists, it's best to call a professional. Issues like low refrigerant or a faulty capacitor often require a professional diagnosis and repair to prevent further damage to your expensive components. If you suspect an electrical problem, it is safer to have a professional handle it.